Okay, so I am going to be upgrading my computer's memory. I figured I would do a video. First off, I want to apologize for the lack of uploads. I've been dealing with some personal issues in life. Anyway, we're inside the BIOS, and as you can see down at the bottom, it says 24 gigs of total memory. You go up there and press enter. You can see all the information. There's 6 sticks, so 6 channels of memory. Well, technically it's triple channel, but there's 6 RAM slots. 24 gigs of memory, blah blah blah. So that down there, that's the timings for the RAM. Get out of here and boot back into Windows. So while that's booting, here is the memory below. It's a GS G-Skill DDR3 gaming memory. Let's see. It is an 8 gig stick, and the memory timings are CL 11, 11, 11, 28. So there's 6 of them. We're going to put all 6 in and see if it works. Now, for those who ask, this is going in my socket 11, my socket 1366. Sorry, brain fart. Yeah, so it's an older socket, but yeah, primarily when the X58 platform came out, only for 8 gigs of memory was not released, so there was really no way to test it. But oops, oh damn it. Okay, so we are going to go to properties, and as you can see right down there, it says 24 gigs of RAM. Let's go ahead and pull this up. We'll get CPU ID booting up. Okay, there we go. So let's go to the memory. You can see right there, DDR3, and that's the information. Go here, you can see it as well. So we're going to shut down the machine. Okay, so I'm back again. Sorry for the picture quality. My camera is not the best, but we'll go into the motherboard intelligent tweaker. And as you can see down at the bottom, 49152 megabytes. So we go up into the MIT status. You can see right down there, I'll point at it, 49 gigabytes, and then those are the current timings for the RAM. Now, something I didn't do earlier that I'm going to do now, if we go in, you can see the RAM's running at 8.0, it's standard. Down here, you can see the 1.5 volts for the voltage, the QPI. So let's go, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just check this out. So you can see the timings, really not that bad. So let's exit out of this, go back into Windows. So while that is booting, here is what the original RAM looked like. I had 6 sticks of this. This RAM right here that I'm shaking is ECC memory. Not, I had this primarily because it's what my Xeon processor had in my previous gaming computer. And so I just kind of kept it because, you know, it was already there. This one is 4 gigabytes of 10600E for ECC RAM. Okay, let's go ahead and boot. Just do that for a moment so I can put in my password. Alright. So let's go. And yes, I am using Windows 10. It's my new favorite. Go into properties here. You can see right there, 48 gigabytes. I'm going to pull up CPU ID. Sorry, I'm kind of doing this one-handed. So, yeah, I've got about 48 gigs in there. And we just gotta wait. Okay, so there's my, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let's go up to memory. You can see right there, 48 gigabytes. And just in case anyone was wondering, there it is, X58 platform, gigabyte. Here's my CPU. Oops. And you can see right there, socket 1366. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, sorry for the image quality. I'll zoom in on there. Oh, and as you can see right there, I did put the sticker. It came with, the memory came with, 6 of these little buggers. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I just kind of did this video to show that an older platform can still be pretty much gaming. So yeah, I just wanted to do this video to show